Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel English Tube. Viewers, have you ever noticed how a well-written notice can deliver all the information in just a few lines, yet still be perfectly clear and professional? In today's video, we are focusing on one such important writing skill, notice writing in English, specially designed for CBSE and ICSE students. I will walk you through a complete example of a notice for a Good Friday prayer meet, showing you exactly how to present it in the right format while keeping it neat, precise, and exam ready. Along the way, you will also understand what makes a notice effective, how to include the right details without overwriting, and how to make your answer stand out to the examiner. If you have ever been confused about how to structure your notice or what to include, this video will make it simple and clear for you. Stay with me till the end and you will be able to write a perfect notice on your own with confidence. Let's begin. First, you will start with the name of your school. For example, I'm writing ABC Public School, New Delhi. In the next line, you will write Notice, N-O-T-I-C in notice in bold letters. In the next line, you will write the date. Here, for example, I'm writing 21st February 2026. In the next line, towards the center, you will write the heading of your notice. Here, for example, I'm writing Good Friday Prayer Meet. In the next line, you will start with the body of the notice with all the necessary details. For example, all the students and staff members are hereby informed that a special prayer meet will be organized in the school auditorium on the occasion of Good Friday. The prayer meet will be held on 3rd April 2026 from 9 am to 10 am. The program will include a short reading from the Holy Bible, hymns, and a message highlighting the significance of the day. Students of class 6 to 12 are requested to assemble in the auditorium by 8:50 am in proper school uniform. Attendance is compulsory for all concerned. For further details, contact the undersigned. Riya Sharma, Head Girl.